today we are climbing this mountain, Formokampen. We are in Rondane National Park and we're hiking here today, and then later tonight we're gonna find a place to set up our tents. I absolutely love this landscape because it is wide open. There are very little trees here because we're pretty high in elevation, yet we can wear shorts. It's really hot here. And what I also love about this landscape is that the lichens and small bushes are dominating. It all just looks like a giant pillow. This summer, Vegard and I are searching for beautiful campsites and hiking areas in Norway. We are in Gudbrandsdalen, a valley in the southern part of Norway. It is sunny and it is super hot outside, almost 30 degrees Celsius. We're spending the day in Rondane National Park. This is a mountain area with peaks of over 2,000 meters, and this is Norway's oldest national park. We parked our car at Puttenseter. Vegard bought a new pair of shorts yesterday. Don't they look good on him? We walk down to where the trail starts. The hike is 4.6 kilometers, and we have brought everything we need to stay the night here in the mountains. We're gonna climb that mountain. We didn't feel it yet, but this hike turned out to be pretty tough. At this point, we'd already taken 2 breaks. It is a hot day and our bags were heavy, but still very happy. Stopping to feel the lichens. It's important to feel nature, not only to look at it. It's nice and windy up here. That helped us cool us off. See, the trail is pretty easy to follow. It is a little rocky here, but it's not hard to walk here at all. The hike is a little rough because it is hot and we are wearing pretty heavy backpacks. We're bringing a house, 2 beds and everything that we need for a night here. That's pretty amazing. And we're bringing all of it on top of a mountain. The last steps before the summit is pretty rocky. Yep, good mountain shoes are probably the most important thing to wear on a hike like this. Wow! Sjekk den utsikten da.
Meter over.
Wow, det er bra jobba.
Norges første nasjonalpark som fylte 50 år. Welcome to Rondane. Now I see the same mountains and valleys as those eyes.
See that valley there? That's where we were driving earlier. Yeah, so there is Jotunheimen, another mountain area with Norway's tallest peak. And then there lies Dovrefjell, another mountain area. This is fun. There is lots to do on top of this mountain. We spent 2 hours and 15 minutes to the top with a total of 4 short breaks, but I think we walked slowly. If you're hiking here on a cooler day with lighter backpacks, you'll probably be faster than us. Kult! Okay, time to set up our tents. We looked around for a bit and found a flat place here, overlooking the valley. Oh. The tent is up. Time to eat some burgers. here's the tent. It was not hard to find a good place for our tent tonight because the surroundings are so beautiful everywhere. Everything's just beautiful here. We found some flat ground on a pillow of lichens, and as you see, the sun is setting right behind us. If you watched the videos from last year's travel, you may notice that we got a new tent. This tent is much lighter, so we can walk further. It is 10 p.m. by the way, and the sun is still well above the horizon. Waking up in nature with no other people around, with great weather, is just an amazing feeling. You should definitely try it if you haven't before. We walked back to the car again, and someone was waiting for us there. Let us see who it is. Hello, sheep. I hope this video was helpful if you're ever in the area. You don't have to bring your tent or even walk the whole distance. Just by driving up here and hiking for a half hour, you'll get great views. Next time we are sleeping in Trondheim and Nordland, and we'll show you what to do when you don't have a shower. Thank you for watching, guys.